gotta keep it locked, I gotta hold my family down. Gotta do what it takes and when I can to keep my family proud. Until the day I'm gone, as God is my witness. Ain't changing for nothing, forever banging family business.
Let's come and visit a place with us. Witness our meaning of living life as we ain't reached the pulling in. Let's rap. That's where we raise. Nothing for us to show our truest home of the sharks. We swim in blood, breaks, stay sticking in water. Maybe not always perfect, but we stay silent. Never know we are the sons and daughters. We call our comms, circles never complete. 3 minute music, original cut. It keeps my soundtrack on repeat.
With my family and it feels another one of them good old days. Got it.
Let me tell you about my family tree. We the best